Binding of signaling molecule to their specific receptor regulate the activity of intracellular proteins or enzyme. This protein transmit the signal from receptor to series of intracellular targets. In case of some peptide hormones, in case of some hormones like glucagon, epinephrine, the binding of signaling molecule to their respective receptor responsible for series of cascade mechanisms such as activation of the membrane bound enzyme adenylate cyclase, which further convert the ATP into cyclic AMP. Cyclic AMP activate inactive form of the protein kinases to convert them into active form of the protein kinases. This protein kinases then responsible for activation of varieties of the enzymes and proteins which are involved in typical biochemical reaction. Today we are going to see the details of G protein linker receptor. G protein linker receptor transmit the signal from intracellular target via intermediary action of G proteins. It is called G protein coupled receptor because it is linked with the uh, tetratrimeric protein structure, nothing but alpha beta gamma units heterotrimeric G protein, so it is called G protein linker receptor. G protein linker receptor is the largest family of cell surface receptor which transmit the signal to the intracellular target via the action of G proteins. This type of receptor identified in some peptide hormones. Also, it is identified for some neurotransmitters, for neuropeptides, etc. This is the structure of the G protein linker receptor. G protein linker receptor is 7 transmembrane helices structure, near to which there is presence of the heterotrimeric G protein alpha beta gamma units are present. The binding of the signaling molecule to such type of receptor at their extracellular domain induces the conformational change that allow the cytosolic side of the domain or cytosolic side of the receptor to bind with the G protein, which is associated with the inner face of the plasma membrane. This interaction activates the G protein, which then dissociates from the receptor and carries the signal to an intracellular target enzymes. G protein consists of alpha beta gamma subunits. The alpha subunit, initially it is in resting state, bind with the GDP molecule. When any hormone or ligand or signaling molecule bind with the receptor, the induces conformational change in the receptor such that release of the GDP and exchange of the GTP. Now the alpha subunit is with GTP detached from the beta gamma subunit, and this alpha GTP bound complex activate the adenylate cyclase enzyme which convert ATP into cyclic AMP. Once the cyclic AMP as a hunger signal secondary messenger is produced, this cyclic AMP activate protein kinases. This protein kinases phosphorylate varieties of the enzymes and proteins. In case of glycogen metabolism or glycogen catabolism, if the signaling molecule or ligand molecule is hormone like glucagon epinephrine, it is responsible for activation of the enzyme glycogen phosphorylase, which broken down the glycogen unit into glucose, and this glucose is made available as a source of carbon and energy. So to do this activation of the glycogen phosphorylase, when the hormone or ligand molecule bind with the G protein linker receptor, then initially bounding resting state alpha GDP subunit converted to alpha GTP by exchange of the GDP is released. Now this alpha GTP activate the adenylate cyclase membrane bound enzyme. This type of cascade mechanism takes place inside the plasma membrane side towards the cytoplasmic side of the cell, and adenylate cyclase become active via alpha GTP. Then ATP is converted to cyclic AMP, and this cyclic AMP hunger signal activate protein kinases. Protein kinase phosphorylate the glycogen phosphorylase, and glycogen phosphorylase catabolize or hydrolyze the glycogen stored in the liver to produce the glucose. After action of the alpha GTP, again GTPase activity or GTP hydrolysis activity takes place. Alpha GDP again generated bound with the GDP is generated bound with the alpha subunit, and it is again in position waiting for new incoming molecule and again join with the receptor molecule. So this is the mechanism of action of G protein linked receptor, as this 7 transmembrane largest family receptor bind with the heterotrimeric G protein subunit. This is called as G protein linker receptor, and this receptor show the action when the ligand molecule is either like neurotransmitter, peptide hormone, hormones like glucagon, epinephrine, etc. And such type of receptor carry out their cascade mechanism or sequential action